everyone, and welcome back to Joys It Flies. If you're new here, my name's Cassidy and I deal with the sewing side of this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to sew a book cover. It's a really simple, fun project, so it's perfect for anyone from a beginner up. All you're going to need for this project is 2 rectangles cut out of batting, a lining fabric and an outer fabric. And all of those rectangles, you're going to want to measure them 8.5 by 10.5 inches. So place your outer fabric on top of your batting, wrong sides facing down. And then you're going to want to place your lining fabric right sides facing down. So your outer and lining pieces are right sides together and your batting is at the bottom. Then pin all 3 layers together at one of the shortest edges, and then you can sew along that edge. Once it's sewn, open your lining piece up and iron it flat. Then you're going to want to repeat that entire process with your remaining 3 pieces of fabric. Now you're going to want to place both of these pieces right sides together, and make sure you start by matching the seams together, and then you can pin them both together. Now you're going to want to sew all of the way around the rectangle, starting at the bottom of your lining piece. And before you come to the end, you're going to want to leave a small gap. Once you finish sewing, you can clip all of the corners and then turn your book cover right sides out. And then give it all a good press with your iron. And at that gap we left in the lining, you're just going to want to fold over the seam allowance so you can't see any raw edges and iron it flat. Then just sew along the edge of your lining to close that hole. And then you can tuck your lining piece inside your book cover. Give it one last good press flat, and then the last thing that you need to do is just over sew all around the top edge of your book cover to keep that lining secure on the inside. And that's it, you're all done.